Hey everybody, it's Grady at Twin Creek Audio, just messing around with all my stuff in the studio. Doing important work in the studio today. Today's important work includes showing you this custom TAZ guitar. This thing is really cool. This is number 2 of maybe 4 in existence made by this builder. It has a rosewood fingerboard with 24 medium high frets. It's got a walnut binding on the edge of the fingerboard. It has a compound radius from 9.5 at the first fret to 14 at the 24th fret. It has a bone nut, abalone fret markers. It has low output humbuckers that sound really fantastic. The neck pickup is 7.27K. The bridge pickup 7.31K. The humbuckers are covered with rosewood covers. 500K volume and tone pots, 3-way switch with top hat knob, has a Wilkinson tremolo, Godo tuners, and it's a fantastic guitar. It says it weighs 9 pounds. I think it might weigh a little more than that. The top of this is walnut, semi-hollow body. The rest of the body is mahogany. The neck is mahogany with walnut strips, so it's a laminated neck. Let's see if I can show you that. I'm going to have some up-close video in a second. Let's see if you can see that. The neck there and the Godo tuners. Let's take a closer look at this and some video that I took with the little stabilizer bar, so it should be decently stable for you to see this up close. And then I'm going to play it and show you what this thing sounds like. There's those rosewood pickup covers. And you can see the fret markers better here too. Those unusual F-holes and that beautiful walnut top. It's got 1 volume and 2 tone controls. See if we can get a better look at this walnut binding and the bone nut here. And you can see the TAZ. Oh, sorry, this is a little shaky. There's the TAZ logo, and there's the bone nut, walnut binding. And those cool abalone fret markers. Some really nice fret work too, and nice rosewood. Here's a closer look at the neck. 2 walnut strips there, laminated between mahogany. And those nice Godo tuners that stay in tune so well. It also has cream colored cellulose binding. Looks really nice. It's a very nice handcrafted guitar. Okay, so now I'm going to play the custom TAZ guitar. I'm going to start like I always do with both pickups on. I'm using the Hotone Britwind Nano Legacy floor amp again. The EQ is straight up. I've backed off the gain a little bit at first to show you what it sounds like clean. and then I'll crank the gain on the British Invasion channel that I always use. I'll crank that up a little bit and do a little bit of overdriven tones. Has a great tone from these lower output vintage sounding humbuckers. These things sound fantastic. Let's try a little jazz stuff on the neck pickup of this guitar. Plays really nice. It has a nice kind of wide neck, but it's comfortable to play. Sounds really good for those kind of jazzy chords and things. I like that. Let's see what it sounds like on the bridge pickup. Still clean with not very much gain on the Hotone Britwind. Maybe do something funky. Cool, now I'm going to go back to both pickups on, and I'm going to turn the gain up on the Hotone Britwind just a little bit so I can get a little bit of breakup and jam out some more. Cool, let's see, what can I do now? Got a little bit more gain on this already. So let's try the gain with the bridge pickup and play some rockin' stuff. Thank you so much for watching me demonstrate this cool, awesome, slightly unusual TAZ Custom Guitar. This thing is so cool. I love the set neck. The nitrocellulose finish on this is fantastic. Feels great to play. I love the vintage lower output humbuckers. They sound fantastic. The switch is backwards. This is the bridge pickup and that's the neck pickup. But that's cool. Once I figured that out, it was no problem. I like Goto tuners, and that's what these Goto tuners on this guitar are fantastic. I love the wood. It's just beautiful. Just a beautiful instrument. So I hope you enjoyed the video and getting to see this fairly rare custom guitar. It's the only one I've ever seen, and it does play and sound fantastic. The TAZ Guitar. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you all have a wonderful day, night, evening, hour, minute, second, nanosecond, whatever it is you're having. Have a really good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I'm going to jam on this guitar some more. Ooh, even with a little reverb. Okay, maybe not reverb.